Well, the hydro boys out there, like I said, they're out there doing their thing. We're out of power for a few hours, but in the meantime, we're getting ready for a dinner party tomorrow. We got some really good avocados and some really, those strawberries are just Manitoba strawberries. Juicy and absolutely perfecto. And this is jowl bacon, which I'm going to barbecue. We have guests coming over tomorrow. I'm going to barbecue that on the queue, and it is going to be unbelievably amazing. Well, Joni, what happened today?
The transformer blew.
Yeah.
The Manitoba Hydro transformer blew, and
Yes.
it had nothing to do with Cherry Hill. You've been out of power, everything, out of water, out of power, everything. Can't do anything.
Well, we could turn on the generator, but I didn't feel like it.
Okay.
So now we're doing what?
So now it's martini time.
Yes.
Because I can't clean, I can't work on the computer, so...
Well, we could clean, but we did almost
No, there's no water, so...
Well, that's true.
Yeah, anyways, everything is ready, set to go. So now we decided to watch the hydro people replace the transformers and have a martini.
Exactly. Oh, yeah. Let's do it. Martini time. Cheers, Joni.
Cheers.
Yes. Ciao. See the transformer? There's 3 transformers up there. It's 3-phase power. One of them blew. And we called Hydro, Manitoba Hydro. And they're here now. And within a few hours, we're going to have the power back on. Pretty damn amazing. And the transformers are on their way from Winnipeg. We should be giving her. Ciao. It's just after 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5-6 hours.
Yeah.
And they had to get transformers sent out from Winnipeg, which is an hour away.
Yeah.
And
set up the crews.
And set up the crews. Plus Sean's crew, our crew had to sort of figure out what was going on, whether it was a hydro issue or a Cherry Hill issue.
And we found out it was a hydro issue.
Yeah, so then hydro was called, so.
We got power, Sean? Perfect. We got her. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one, eh, Joni?
Yeah. That's very good.
Oh, fantastic.
Back to work.
Yes. Well, we can go inside. We can put it inside if you want.
Awesome.
But I have. Oh,
Well, I mean, out here will be fine, right?
okay.
All your gallivanting.
I cooled off all the wine. I just could because of the
That's no problem. Not a problem. Well, Joni, introduce these crazy people.
These are our very good friends. This is Ralph.
Really?
Yes.
Very good friends.
Really good friends.
And this is Marlis.
Yes. And who's she related to again?
Eldith.
That you worked with?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, and I worked with Eldith at the Hanover School Division for 10 years.
Yeah, exactly.
When my children were little, I came to visit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Ralph has been my
I'm related to my parents.
yes. But we played hockey together.
And Ralph has
We
been-
golfed together on occasions.
Yeah, so long. We've known Ralph for a long
It's been forever.
Forever.
Now, look at this, guys. Look, come. Look.
You have a table set for kids.
Yes.
Wow.
See? There's a cheese
Is this
plate
what
there.
you learned in Italy?
That's a cheese plate.
Beautiful.
This is
Hot mustard.
yeah, hot mustard and honey
My
with
dad would love
a really good ham,
Yum.
smoked ham,
Very
and then there's
good.
some dips.
Wow.
And these I'm going to grill.
Asparagus, my favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was the ham you were showing
This-
last time? Or-
Yeah, that's the ham we had.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You have outdone yourself once again.
Well,
Mary.
you know, and the thing is, what we're going to, the ham is smoked, so you don't have to cook it.
So I don't start smoking.
Yeah, so you don't have to cook. But
Perfect.
I'm going to also at the end, I'm going to take and put. I'm going to barbecue, of course, to grill the veggies. Plus, I've got this jowl bacon cut
Okay,
into
I thought it was bacon. I saw that.
jowl
Okay.
bacon.
Jowl. Jowl?
Jowl, the jowl.
The jowls were growing?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good.
And that's what I'm going to barbecue that. That's what I learned that in definitely we did that in Sicily. We do that in Sicily a lot.
Yes.
Just fantastic.
So I can just pretend I'm in Sicily.
Yes, absolutely. Well, welcome here, guys. And now let's drink and enjoy life. Okay, Joan, who are all these people that bugged the shit out of us to come today? There's Ralph over there,
Yes, yeah.
an old golfing buddy and whatever.
Oh, there you go.
I saw the tailgate
down. I said,
I put it to work.
I went there now to see the tailgate was down. I had the cooler was like heavy.
in here.
No, I was going to hire a forklift to get the cooler off.
working here.
I would say,
And then his friend. It's a girlfriend, but not a girlfriend. A friend. I'm a girl, but a friend.
I'm still, I identify with the girls.
And Ralph and Marlis were invited.
yeah, and the others.
And Art and Lori were they were sort of add-ons.
But they were
But-
also invited.
Yes, but add-ons. Yeah, okay, perfect.
Like as in Sicily, everybody is always invited.
That's exactly. Oh yeah. Oh,
I love
absolutely.
So, like, if the people come by, you just
Oh,
pull them in?
oh, absolutely.
No question.
Not a problem.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, there
Yes.
you go.
Oh,
Good old Husky days.
One of my better defensemen, and I was the best goalie that they had. They had no other.
Okay, there you go.
I quit.
Really?
I quit early.
Did you play with the commercial team for a while? Like I only started about '88.
You played. No, you.
We played
I
Husky.
didn't play any hockey in 1987.
You played Husky hockey in 1975.
Yeah.
Six.
When you went to when I quit the
75.
year you guys
So
went to
nine,
play
I
against.
quit in '75.
Trail-
You went to Elm Cup yet? They were all
Yeah,
about
that
that.
was
I
later.
continue playing. I
No, I
stopped.
quit that year too. And you took over.
I lived in Bollinger that first year, and I came playing in War Road.
You were playing, you were in Bollinger.
Lived in Bollinger, 1975.
By yourself?
No. That's first year of marriage in Bollinger. That was a long way, going to War Road, then going home, drinking all the way from War Road to Steinbeck.
Oh yeah.